Hi, welcome back. Good afternoon. It snowed pretty good this past weekend. Had at least 8 inches to remove. It got significantly cold. I got a heated jacket I ordered, and here it is. It looks like it's got USB adapter there. That's cool. It's black, large. So we'll open this up and see what the package consists of. Alrighty. Take this apart somehow. Oh, cool. Here's a little battery adapter. That would go like this. And you can charge your phone or mobile device. And also another power source there. Cool. Cool. Here's the model number. It's packed like a Carhartt. 7 pockets on it. A hood. Let's see. There's the back. Unzip this. The battery go right here. Kind of wondering what this wire here is for and what's it doing here. Well, what it is this jacket. You can store extra battery or two in here, or in here if you want. That's why these loops are here. So all I have to do is just take this out like that. Take this 4.0, this adapter, there's the power source right here, go like that, slip in this battery pouch here, and then see if it works. Push and hold. Yep. That's high. Medium. Low. Push and hold, turned off. Boom. They said you could put another battery in there, but yeah, I'd rather just have it where it kind of goes. This jacket has 5 heating zones. It's wind and water resistant, which is pretty cool actually. Some drawstrings. The heating zones that are labeled on the box cover the chest right here, this arm, and then the back. So it keeps the person pretty warm. Still works. I tried this outside and this thing sweats me out, so I usually put it on medium. But yeah, I think it works great. My first heated jacket, I like it. That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. So long.